Unlocking productivity with automated calendars.
Struggling to keep up with regular meetings, study sessions, or routines? Automating recurring events in your digital calendar can save time, reduce stress, and help you stay organized. Let's explore how easy it is to set up automatic scheduling for your most important tasks, so you never miss a beat and consistently work towards your goals.
Why automate recurring events?
Manual scheduling wastes valuable time and increases the risk of forgetting important activities. Automating recurring events not only streamlines your workflow, but also builds consistency. Whether it's weekly team meetings, daily workouts, or monthly project reviews, automated entries free your mind to focus on what matters most, boosting both efficiency and accountability.
Setting up recurring events in popular calendars.
Most digital calendars, like Google Calendar or Outlook, make it simple to create recurring events. Just create a new event, then select the repeat option, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Adjust details like time, notifications, and participants. Once set, your calendar will automatically handle scheduling, sending reminders, and blocking your availability as needed.
Tips for maximizing calendar automation.
Use descriptive names for your recurring events and color code different categories for quick reference. Set reminder notifications to ensure you're always prepared. For projects or habits, block out time with calendar events so these priorities stay visible. Remember to periodically review and adjust recurring entries to keep your schedule fresh and relevant.
Boosting productivity with smart integrations.
Take your automation further by integrating your calendar with productivity tools. Syncing with task managers, email, or collaboration apps helps centralize your schedule and reduces redundancies. Many calendars can import events from other apps or support automation platforms, letting you coordinate meetings, reminders, and deadlines seamlessly.
Achieve more with automated scheduling.
Automating your calendar removes repetitive tasks and mental clutter. With your key activities set to repeat, you're free to prioritize deep work, creativity, and well-being. Start automating today and discover how small changes in calendar management can lead to big gains in productivity and peace of mind.